Okay, I didn't have enough memory on my memory card. First, Aubrey has to sign my wall.
There we go.
Ugly!
I don't even know what the fuck.
The hair!
Yeah, take a good look at that because you'll never see it again.
Ew.
Ready?
I'm about to tweak out.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah,
Is it ready?
it's so gross.
Ah. You're right. You don't chew it.
Ew. If you're gonna yak, don't do it in here.
Oh my god.
On.
I can't look. That is so fucking gross. I can only imagine how much that sucks. His eyes are like watering.
That is just dry as hell.
Ew, it's not like a burger.
Why are you eating my hair? Oh, that is so gross.
Probably the hardest thing I've ever ate. It's not going down. I'll get it down.
I wonder how many calories hair has.
Only 0.
You see what, like, nomming on it? Is it still in your mouth?
Hmm?
How's that going down?
Not very good.
Is it worth the $30?
Mm-hmm.
Ew. I heard that go down. Only one more chunk to go. What if you couldn't drink? How would that have been?
It's just thick. You got some thick ass hair.